how AI is enabling us, how AI is giving us the power to build anything that we want right now. But most of the developers didn't take the first step of building that product because they were not technically ready properly. Right now, that technical barrier is gone, like vanished. After the widespread of AI, after AI became really affordable, most people are thinking that AI is simply taking over the job market. A lot of developers are losing their job, which is very true. But I feel there is one particular sector, there is one particular view which a lot of us are missing, which a lot of us are not looking at. And I feel that is a very big career mistake and it will affect you even in the future. And that is how AI is enabling us, how AI is giving us the power to build anything that we want right now. Let me explain. So, if you think 5, 6 years ago, 10 years ago, if you wanted to build a product, if you let's say have a wonderful idea, if you had a wonderful idea and you wanted to make it a reality, you wanted to build that product and bring it into the market, there was one thing which was holding you back the most, which is your technical skills. Are you technically sound? Are you capable enough to build this product actually and make sure that it is working? And then after that, coming to the market and making sure the development goes on and so on and so forth. But most of the developers didn't take the first step of building that product because they were not technically ready. If you think properly, right now that technical barrier is gone, like vanished overnight. The reason is because AI is so powerful right now. Yes, I agree that it will not be able to give you the most optimal result or the best developer code that you have ever seen, but AI is more than capable enough to build your product end to end. You just need to guide it properly. You need to make sure that you know what you are building, what sort of different steps you need, and what are the different features that you are thinking about. What is the core of your product? Then, if you guide the AI properly, you can have a working sample, a prototype, or even version 1 of your app ready within no time. Take 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, maybe at max a month, and you will have a working product which you can share with your friends or share online and start at least the first step of your business. So what I'm trying to say is, why is everybody stuck at this view that AI is taking jobs? Yes, AI is taking a lot of jobs, a lot of junior roles, but at the same time, AI is not. This was the story every single time. New developers came, junior developers came, brighter mind came, and they used to take jobs of senior developers or legacy developers all the single time. The only difference right now is it is happening at a mass scale. That's the only difference. I'm not saying it is favorable, but all I'm trying to say, we are focusing on the closed door so much that we are not seeing at the open door. And I feel we as a developer need to change our focus. We need to see that there is a door which is open, which we can utilize to massively benefit us, to massively boost us. If you have worked in IT industry for 4, 5, 6 years, I'm quite sure that you have a lot of product ideas or maybe existing products which you think there are features missing and you would like to make it. Go ahead, build it. You have that AI capability right now. You have that technical capability that if you think you have a really good idea which people will really use, take the help of AI, build the product, at least get the product in the market, keep it running, and then after that you can think about refining it. Maybe hire few developers later on down the line when your business become profitable and you want to release version 2 of it. Then you think about code quality and different sorts of ways to optimize it. But at least you have the capability right now that you can test out if a business idea is feasible or not, if it is actually profitable in the market or not. Previously, you needed to spend a lot of money upfront to build that product, and then there will be success or not, that is up to the future. But right now, you don't need to spend a lot of money upfront. How much a AI subscription cost at max? Mostly like $20 average. Okay, forget about it. Let's say you are going all in and you are taking a really powerful machine where you expect the best models. Okay, fine. $60, $100 at max. And then you will have a very solid product which is like user ready and at least more than capable to deliver as a version 1 of a prototype or a version 1 of a product idea. So what I feel is right now, instead of just being developers, we also need to focus on being entrepreneurs. I feel like we need to have this mindset of how can we resolve problems, pain points of users. How can we deliver products that are built for different sorts of niches or that are going to resolve a lot of existing problems which were overlooked. Even if you think that a small group of people are using it, you never know that that small group of people will be numbering to millions. You might think that in your whole team you are the only one who needs this, but if your team is of 100 people and you are the only 1% of 8 billion 9 billion people around the whole world, that's massive number. So I feel instead of looking at the closed doors and thinking how AI is harming us, we as developer can really take the advantage of this time if we start building things, start using AI to our advantage. See, I'm not saying this is the ideal situation. I'm not saying this is what I have always waited for. No, this is also hurting my career because obviously I am also learning new things. I am also taking this thing seriously that I need to make sure I'm ahead of AI. So I'm not saying this is what I have always wanted, but all I'm trying to say, thinking about the negative point, thinking how AI is hurting us is not going to help neither me, neither any of our developer friends. So my friend, why are you waiting for it? Why are you thinking and blaming AI when it is not going to do anything? Like nothing positive. Just move on, do your best, because remember, we as developer have the power to build things. If you have taken this career, if you have chosen this career, I can assure you 9 out of 10 times you will be capable enough to execute a plan if you have a good plan. So right now, don't think about how you are doing small things, learning new languages, getting your next job. Think, how can you have really good ideas and how can you execute them? Execution process, that has been taken care of. That is not so difficult right now. That barrier is not there. But you need to break down this barrier in your mind that you cannot be an entrepreneur or you cannot be somebody who can build something. I feel a lot of developers have this mental blockage that they think themselves not as equal to somebody else who is already successful. I feel like you should have this confidence in yourself that you can do, and trust me, you will be able to do. With that in mind, definitely let me know if I can help you. As you know, if you are a viewer of my channel, that I offer free mentorship as well. So if you feel that you want to talk to me about your ideas and how you can overcome your challenges, then definitely there is the form link given in the description. Sign up with that and I will be more than happy to get in a call and talk to you about it and help you out as much as I can. With that, till the next video, thanks.